Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about how to handle child tab in Cypress or window or tab in Cypress. Okay, first we will learn about what is the child tab. Okay, you can see the website of that. Here our website is there opening a new window. So for that we click here this button, then we are able to launch that new window. With that new window is coming, that label of new window. We will learn about that. So while saying that, you will feel like that this is a simple link, like click here is the link, and we can use the click, take the selector of that, locator of that, and we can click on the click here, it will be launched, but it's not working. So because of this very important topic which is related to that child window, let's open that VS code. We'll create another file which is related to handling. New file, handling child window dot cy.js. Okay, and we will write the test case soon. Describe is our function we can use, and we are giving the title of the description of the test case or scenario of the test case. Handling handling child window oblique tab, also we can say tab. Okay, and we'll create the functions. This is the functions. Okay, now we have to define the it block, and we can say handling child window, handling child window. Okay, we will show it that two approach, so we can mention that approach one, approach one. Okay, create the function of that. Okay, so now first we want to visit the URL. This is our URL. This is like main URL. This is a parent URL. We can mention cy dot visit is a command. We can put an our URL. Now second one, we have to click on here. So for this one we have to take selector of that, right click on the page, go to inspect, and go here. We can select this one. Okay, this is our selector. Right click on that, copy selector. We can take it. It's showing 1 out of 1, matching 1. So we can copy this one. We can go here. Okay, cy dot get is our command. Okay, so now as we know, like simple click command, this is a click. This command, like this function is not working. We'll see it's working or not. I want to show you this is not working. Because of that we have to handle different way, how to handle the child window, a child tab in Cypress. Okay, we start the test case, and we have used simple click, so it should not work. Handling child window. Okay, the test is running, started, and when you want to click on this page, you can see if you click on that, it's not going to the new window, so it is not working. You try to click on that, but it's not working. So for that we have to use the then function. This is the then function we can use. And why we are using the then functions, let me explain. Okay, you can see here in this page, if you want to use then function, and from then functions we can take that reference of that. particular window, we can take that attribute value, we can take from that as reference. This is the value we can take. So then function we are defining URL, okay, and we are creating the function of then functions. Now what the URL dot dot what things we want. We need the properties of as reference. So you have to define prop. What is which property we want as reference you require. So if you want to take the H reference, means you are getting this URL will get new URL will get, and this is we are taking, and you will store this URL to any of the constant. We can mention new window link. We can mention. Is it fine? And now it is similar only. cy dot widget command is there. cy dot widget our command, and we can define this is the URL. Now we can run the test case, and it is getting fast because new window is coming. Okay, see new window is working because first is launching this one. After click is coming the new window. Okay, this is a way to handle that new window, new child window, otherwise new window. Okay, child window. So now we want to check it is correct or not, it's successfully launched or not. So we for that cy dot URL is there. URL. We can check the URL is correct or not. Some validation is required to check. This is should command equal. For which equal? From URL only equal. This is a new window, right? We take this one. Okay. And we will check this one. And after that, we will check another things also from the Cypress. This a new window is there. We want to assert new window also. It is working or not. cy dot content is the command. Contents. This is the content dot should dot sorry function b dot visible. B dot visible is the functions should function. We are checking the is should visible or not. Okay. So you can see you will run the test case. Your test case is running. Okay. You can see the assertion of that. We are checking first URL. This is asserting URL. URL is equal to particular URL. Second thing is new window you are checking, and new window is coming as reference is visible or not. So this is the way first to handle that child tab. Now approach 2 we have to do. Approach 2. So main difference is there from clicking only. Normal click button is will won't work. So for that we are using the different, like we use the then function. Here no need to use the then function. Only we have to change these functions only for clicking. Remaining thing is same. Okay. Now we have one invoke function. Invoke. Make sure it should be correct only. And inside that we have to type the remove attribute, and which we have to target of target tribute targr. You can see here I want to show you this is a target you have to do. Okay, target, and that's it. We have to click on the click button. Okay, now it will work. You can see the test case is running. First test case is getting passed, second one also getting passed. You can see assassin also getting passed for the two. This is a simple way to handle that child windows approach 1 and approach 2. Now suppose if you are going to the child window, if you want to come to that main window, parent window, how to come? So we have command like cy dot go is the command. So here you can mention backward back. You can mention it will be going to the parent window. Okay, and suppose here you want to you mention like that cy dot go. Here also we can mention back. Okay, it's coming with the main. And again you want to asset second things, because you want to asset on the home page, main page, and main page what is the sessions, this is our session of that. We want to check in the main page by parent window assassin is there or not. Okay, we'll see second window going back, and again we are checking the sessions. You can see the sessions on one page. So opening a new window, this is a main parent window. And if you want to go again to child, we can use the cy dot go function again is there. Instead of back, mention forward. This is our functionality to go backward and go forward. You can see now in the last session is new window. If you are going to the second one, okay, that is related to that handling child window. Okay, in the two ways. Now, second point is I want to add. See, sometime we are getting the issue which is related to error is coming in the logs and our test is getting fast. So this is related to the network, and this is not an issue. That is a network request, and this is a HTTP request because of that is coming. Okay, that is not an issue, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.